Naghahanap ko ba ng staycation na may magandang view and fresh air? Dito ka na sa Cielo Alto. For as low as 3,000 to 4,000 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-overnight stay sa cabin with free breakfast. Each cabin has veranda with overlooking view of mountain na talaga namang mag-e-enjoy ka while drinking your coffee. Perfect for photos and photo shoots. Spacious and clean ang reception and restaurant area nila. Malamig ang hangin dito, kaya bagay talaga sa bestseller nila na hot bulalo. Everything is Instagrammable and picture perfect. Grabe, ang sarap talaga magbakasyon dito. And yung common comfort room nila guys, ang linis. And maganda din for mirror selfie. Meron din silang family room, VIP rooms, and a regular cabin. May fish pan sa baba and marami ding chairs dito. Pwede kang umupo, magmuni-muni, mag-isip-isip with this view. And kapag napagod ka naman sa kakalakad, may massage chair sila para ma-relax ka for only 100 pesos, 23 minutes na. Yun lang guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bye!